things, this is why the phase are messing up. Yo, what is up, guys? DJ Ammunition here, back with another what is it, like maybe kind of a review but kind of a help video. What is up? Make sure y'all follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'm sorry for the lack of content on the YouTube channel. Yes, I know it's been a while. What up, BB8? Yeah, I'm sorry. I've just been going through a lot of life stuff. Life is tough right now, but hey, gotta look to the brighter side for tomorrow. So anyways, let me talk about the phase, all right? Phase, yeah, we got the Newmark Scratch. This is actually what I bought for my little one, so when she gets a little old enough, you know, that'll be her mixer and stuff. But the phase are what I typically use on my Friday night spot, Ash Basement Bar, downtown San Antonio. By the way, have y'all's bars and clubs start opening? Because ours did, then they shut back down because everybody got sick, like all the bar staff and like the DJs and all that. And then, yeah, coronavirus. It's been kind of crazy out there. Hopefully, if you have any family, friends, loved ones, anybody that's got it, I pray that, you know, everybody just gets through it, because I think it's going to be like the flu. Everybody's going to get it. It's going to be a vaccine, and then some people get it worse, some people don't. Anyways, phase DJ. Yes, I have these two. I know Robert Hill. I know DJ AK. I am a gear hoarder. I got the Rane 12s. I got the 72 back in the studio. The 70 is downstairs ready for tonight at the Sandbox. And then we got, this is actually my very first Technique, so I have it with the Orbit light. It's got the LEDs changed out in it. It even has my name on the, right there, you see that? My name on the tone arm. And then, of course, I got this, my second turntable I got. This is a 1200, and this is a 1210, and then I have another 1210 and 1200 downtown at Ash. But the phase DJ, a lot of DJs have been hating on these things. Well, not really hating, but it's more like they have problems with them, okay? They're golden. If you need to get some, if you're tired of using needles, or if you just want to get, you know, something a little more modernized instead of having to, you know, shell out for the 12s, the Rane 12s, get them. They're worth it. They're super precise, but DJs are having problems with them, like not charging. I think the battery life is still not as good as we were promised, and then connectivity issues. So that's my main thing today: connectivity issues. It's super easy to fix. Okay. First thing you want to do, though, is make sure they're up to date, each remote. What you do first is you charge them till they're all the way charged, and then you go into the MWM phase software that you download for free on their website, and then just each remote put on your remote, you know, the remotes on your base, sorry, and then make sure they're fully charged, and then update every single one. Once you're done with that, you should be okay with battery life. They're still not 10 hours as we're promised. It runs like about 6 to 7 hours, which is not bad for, you know, a standard gig. And then for battery issues, that should also help. Now for connectivity, there are a lot of DJs that are either having their phase, this is not doing it right now, it was doing it just before I started recording, but you'll see that it starts blinking, meaning that's not connected, and then you check your software on Serato, and it's not connected on there. This is going to fix that problem. Also, when you have this crap, look at this. Look at that. It's going backwards, okay? I've already changed it on the RCAs. The RCAs are correct, okay? So you got the white on top, red on bottom, and this is actually the cable that it comes with, okay? And it gives you this. You see the connection right here? It's actually supposed to be fully red, like this side, okay? And it's supposed to be going the right way too, by the way. And it's not anything that we reversed it. This is exactly what happens when these cables that it comes with go bad. All right? All you got to do is hop on Amazon and buy some new cables. Okay, I think I paid like 15, maybe 18 bucks for a pair of these. Just got some 3-footers. You can get 6, 10, whatever you feel is what you need for the length. But these are bad. Now, I don't want to say that every DJ is going to have trouble with those. I mean, they may last longer for some DJs. I've had the phase since it dropped. But mine started to go bad, and I started to realize when I was in the bar in the club and they were acting up like this. Yeah, sucks. Now, with these, they might have gone bad with me because on Ash Fridays, I like to tuck my wires so that they're not showing everywhere. And I normally put them under the cases. And, you know, sometimes you may pinch the RCA cable, or maybe, you know, the case is sitting on top of it, not really realizing it. So that could have broke them, but they kind of went out pretty fast. I'm not going to lie. So let me show you all something really quick. I'm just going to swap these out. Okay, so look. A is this side, okay? A is this side, and that's what's doing that. Let me give you a wavelength real quick. It goes backwards. There. See? And it's really slow. Look at the way it's supposed to speed. It's supposed to be going that fast. It's just bad. So let me swap out the cable and I will show y'all. That's how you fix it. And bam! Okay, so we changed them out. Again, these were the originals. Okay, so let me actually just take them out so I can show you a little bit better what they look like. I put the knots in them because when they busted that night, I wanted to make sure, because one cable went bad, one is not bad. But this is the one that went bad, so I put knots in it. But these are really solid looking too. Like they look really sturdy. The wire feels really good. I just maybe something internally messed up. But I swapped it out. Okay, again, channel A. We swapped it out here. This is the other end. And again, these I think were Foss Technology or something. I don't know. They're pretty high rated on Amazon. Super cheap. Less than 20 bucks for the both of them with shipping. Yeah. Prom fix. Look at that. Looks golden. It's golden. You can stop it. Go back and forth. Do a little wiki. And yeah, look. This is even to prove it more. Where is my audio? Oh, here we go. Audio. So perfect. Yeah, that's how I fixed my phase. Now again, I know there was a lot of problems with them. I think the main thing all DJs need to remember is one, make sure that your phase are fully charged before you do the updates. If you need to restore in the factory, just so you want to make sure you get the most recent. I think it's 2.5, but don't quote me on that. I don't really know. Maybe 1.5. Most recent software update for the phase. They need to be fully charged. So all you got to do is take the power cable, and they used to be able to plug into the USB ports on the mixers, but they don't. And then just take, I know it's kind of hard to see there, but I have just like a regular Amazon plug, USB power outlet, and just plug it into that. Let them charge all the way up until their bars are fully lit. They'll kind of like pulsate when they're charging. When it's done with that, fully lit, fully charged. Update your software. 2, make sure you go ahead and do the connection portion. So, you know, really easy. Just take it out, put it on your bass. It's already connected, but just to make sure, hold it down for a couple seconds. It'll blinky, blinky, blink. Boom, ready to go. Make sure your turntable is not moving. Place it back. Wait for the LED to go solid. And it is solid. Boom. Boom. So, once you do that, if you're still having trouble, again, with connectivity, like the line starts pulsating on its own. See, they're both really good, but sometimes it'll just start pulsating on its own. Or you're just not getting that strong rotation on your wave patterns. Swap out the RCAs. You should be good to go. If y'all have any questions, make sure you put them down in the comments. Thank y'all so much for the support. We've had a lot of support since we reviewed the Rane 70. And then I went over the Pioneer DDJ SRT 1000. I mean, I appreciate it. Hit me up. Let me know if you got any questions. If you want me to review something else that I got in the studio, I got really old Pioneer DJM 400. We got some records. We got Serato records. We got, is that a trophy? That a trophy? What does that say? Oh, snap. We pissed off a lot of DJs with that one, by the way. Rane 57. We even got one of these. Look at this. What do we know about this, huh? What do you know about this, huh? Yeah, so if you want me to review anything else, please let me know. I'm always down. Make sure y'all follow me. And all my DJs, rock out, fellas. Peace.